Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this really quick video today. I'm introducing BuildaBizOnline, and it's as simple as this. If you are building a business online, you need the right tools to help you build more effectively, more efficiently. And we're introducing BuildaBizOnline, okay, which is a powerful marketing tool suite. All right, and as you can see, it says here, still going as strong as ever. A 14-year-old program with 20 plus affiliate marketing tools solutions, all under one roof, that pays out 100% rather in commissions. Okay, and you can join us here. All right, and so I want to just share some of those tools that you'll be receiving with you, so stay with me for the next few moments. It's gonna be real short. Okay, all right, now did you know that you can now get every tool that you need to promote your existing business at BuildaBizOnline? Okay, if you're looking for a side hustle, a side program with any other program that you might be promoting, then this is a tremendous program for that as well. I've been with BuildaBizOnline for about 3 or 4 years. Never really promoted it that much because I was really using it and I use it all the time. And I said, man, and I really keep forgetting to share it, but I said, man, the program's so good that it just makes sense to share it with other people. But you'll get an AutoResponder, okay, URL branding rotator, splash page builder, 3 banner builders, your own unique programs page. Okay, you'll be able to put 20 ads on that program, or 20 programs on the programs page. Okay, plus a URL cloaking, shrinking, tracking, and branding system. Okay, your own personal downline builder and traffic blog. Okay, and all for just $14 per month, and you'll earn 100% commissions. So I'm introducing this to you. Be sure you can sign up for free, take a look around, and I'm telling you, this is an exceptional marketing suite. Okay, all of your marketing solutions under one roof. So grab the link in the description area of this video. Get signed up with us today at BuildaBizOnline. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.